Hey, what's up? My name is Ali Burney and I'm a first-time puppy owner. Let me tell you, it has been an absolute week. I've had my Black Labrador Scout for about, 7 days now. And I think for the first 4 days, I didn't eat. I barely ate anything at all. I had some toast maybe, I had a smoothie here and there, but having a puppy is a full-time job. It is, it's a lot, and I really let my nutrition go to the wayside, and I couldn't even get to the shops to go and buy food because he is so beautiful but so needy, and I didn't want to leave him alone. So I was left with an empty fridge and an empty pantry, and really just no time or no will to cook. Now, I'll be the first to say I actually do enjoy cooking my meals, and I don't actually often get meal delivery services, but when I heard about workout meals and their next day delivery, I was like, yep, that is something I need. I really need a meal, and I need it to come tomorrow. I need several meals and I need it tomorrow. I can't wait a few days like most meal providers. Some meal providers you can wait 3 to 5 days once you place an order, but with workout meals, next day delivery, as long as you order by 3 p.m. And when I found that out, I was like, that is for me. That is what I need right now. What's actually really cool about workout meals is you can choose the window. So you can actually get it delivered between 12 a.m. and 7 a.m. or business hours between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you really have some flexibility there depending what suits you. But yeah, next day delivery, you can't go past that, especially when you just need some meals in your fridge and your freezer and you can't get to the shops when you have a puppy or work responsibilities or, things like that. So delivery does cost $15, but if you subscribe and get a recurring order, it's free. So that's also an added bonus. I'm quite food and fitness focused as well. So, not a nutritionist, not anything like that, but I really do watch what I eat. I love with workout meals. There's keto, there's meals for weight loss, there's meals for muscle gain, to get lean. So you have these packs that you can choose from, or you can just choose the meals based on your preferences. They also have a really good filter system for allergies. So I'm also gluten-free and dairy-free. So the meals that I chose, I ended up getting a pack because with the pack you can't filter out your allergies, but so I chose individual meals that could cater to my needs. There are some breakfast, lunch, dinner options. There's vegan options as well. So yeah, they actually have a really wide range, and it's really easy. The website's really user intuitive. It's all it's really good for the time poor and people that often don't get meals delivered, for kind of like newbies to the meal delivery world. All right, here is my spread. I've got a range of things and then some double ups or a triple up in terms of the chicken and prawn paella. Got some fish, honey soy chicken. I got my vegan option, chicken cacciatore, chili con carne, I think that's how you pronounce it, some Portuguese chicken. So yeah. So I chose my meals kind of based off, when I did the filter, I filtered for gluten-free and dairy-free. So there was a smaller selection. So I had a lot to choose from, but obviously not the whole range. So I kind of just chose what looked tasty. I mean, it all looked really tasty, but I had some chicken, I had some fish, I had a vegan option. A lot of my options were keto. And I also got a really tasty looking juice thrown in as well, and I'm really keen to give it a go. All right, so today for lunch is the crunchy poached chicken salad. Honestly, usually I don't eat lunch, but this kind of looked really tasty, so I'm keen to see how it goes. I'm somewhat skeptical of this one because it's a salad and it has to be heated up, so it's like a warm kind of coleslaw salad, but I might be surprised. If I can do this left-handed. Okay, I was proved wrong. That's actually really tasty. Warm coleslaw chicken salad. Rate it. Yum. Really good. Now to enjoy. Well, the puppy. Oh, the puppy's awake. Well, the puppy sleeps. Let's hope I don't get disturbed too much. So funny story. Growing up, my mum made chicken cacciatore once, and we had it for like 3 or 4 nights in a row, and ever since I swore off it. So let's see if in my old age I enjoy chicken cacciatore again. You know what? This is pretty tasty. Sorry, Mum. Maybe your chicken cacciatore just wasn't that good. This is the Keto Smokey chicken and creamy lemon broccoli, and it actually looks pretty dang tasty. You can see the steam. I just took the film off and oh my gosh, it actually smells so good. Let's give this a go. It could be ladylike and cut the chicken or put it on a plate, but I've never been particularly ladylike, so. That was actually really good, like really tender and really flavoursome. I've only just started eating meat again after being pescatarian for a few years, and yeah, chicken's one of those things that I kind of slowly got back into first, and yeah, that is really tasty. The broccoli is actually really good too, like really flavoursome. You can hear the dog crying in the back. And this is why I need really fast next day delivery for those days where I just really can't get to the shops, but I really need to eat some food. All right, so it has been about a week and a half of workout meals and can safely say I have really enjoyed the experience. The meals have been really tasty. There've been a few that I've really loved and would definitely order again. Some were a bit but overall, really delicious. I just think the main benefit though, that next day delivery, you just can't beat it. It's just so convenient, especially when there are so many providers that it just takes, 3 to 5 days. And sometimes when you got a puppy, when you got priorities or when you're in lockdown, you just can't wait. You can't wait for those meals. So that next day delivery, it is limited to Sydney, but they do deliver to 3,000 locations across New South Wales, Vic, ACT, Queensland, and South Australia. Overall, really great provider. Would order again, definitely recommend.